Are you ready, Titus? Your 4 minutes start.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome everyone to this event, English Arena 2023. First of all, let me introduce myself a little bit. My name is Tuan. My English name is Titus. I'm 9 years old. I'm in class 3 of Saigon Language Center. As you can see on the screen, my topic today is the climate change problem. I'll start it now and I hope you all enjoy it. As you all know, the world is a big place in space where people live, but there's a lot of problems that affect everyone, such as overpopulation, food insecurity, and the largest issue of all, global warming. Climate change makes things really bad for a lot of people, and even for places like Antarctica. Antarctica used to have huge ice mountains, which are called glaciers. But because of climate change, these glaciers are melting fast. It's getting really hot in Antarctica when it's supposed to be cold. For example, if this continent keeps getting hotter, penguins won't have anywhere to live, and other animals such as seals and birds will be homeless too. Another thing is, as you all know, whales feed on krill, and the melting sea ice is causing a decline in krill populations. So whales have to travel far away to find food, which can be very dangerous for them. As for me, I think we can solve this by being green. Specifically, we should cycle more and drive less. We should follow the 3R rule, namely reduce, reuse, and recycle. Plant trees and flowers to get clean air and clean oxygen, or take part in cleanups in our community. But why do we have to solve this problem? It's because we are responsible for this enormous disaster. But the problem is, if we don't care now, Antarctica could break into millions and millions of pieces or disappear completely. Remember, we can make a difference if we work together. That's all I have to say. Sincerely, thank you for taking time to listen to my presentation. Thank you and have a nice day.
Well done, Titus. Now your turn to answer the questions.
Alan.
Okay, so hello Titus, how are you?
I'm great.
Oh, that's wonderful. And I really appreciate your presentation today. So are you ready?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So let's go. So, what is climate change?
Climate change refers to the change of environmental conditions of the earth. So, happens from many internal and external factors. Climate change has been a serious concern for over the last few decades. Besides, climate change can affect us in various ways.
Thank
I'm
you.
done for my answer now.
Okay, so how does climate change affect human life?
That's a great question. I will answer now. The impact of the climate change, including warming temperatures, changes in precipitation, which means it weighs the food we eat, the water we drink, and the weather we are experiencing, and the air we breathe. I'm done now.
Okay, next. What is the evidence that shows the climate is changing?
It happens if the damage is getting bigger or shorter, and we can help them by fixing tools and materials so that the ice cannot get broken or fall apart away. I'm done now.
Okay. And why is climate change a serious problem?
The reason climate change has been a serious problem, climate change has been deadly for animals, which can be very dangerous for them. And besides, it can affect humans too. Remember that. And that the animals are also important is because the animals here have also a life to help other creatures. So they are very friendly, but we need to solve this problem. As I mentioned the last problem earlier.
Okay, thank you for that. And what are the benefits of acting on climate change now?
The benefits of that is you can also save lives of thousands or millions of animals. Just save them from the rescue, but we need to find a solution so that the animals won't have a single scratch.
Thank you so much. You did a great job.
Thank you.
Well done. Kadat, you killed it.